Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 5000 plus PowerPoint slide with different categories, but these are protected. You need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sheriyskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime just in single payment. Okay. So I open this one, cybersecurity, total 26 slides. You can import image or change anything, like customize your own title. Marketing campaign. Okay, import your image. I know you know how to change color or import photo now. And any other, open this one. Noise function. Green, modern, business, dark or light dark. How high definition file. Okay, close it. Documentation main file. 22, 23 and last 24. All files are fully editable. I hope these files are useful for you and you need subscription for access of my all file. Take care, Allah Hafiz.